Welcome back to Crypto Coin News. Today we are going to be talking about how you can earn free cryptocurrency and make yourself some passive income by staking some of the cryptocurrencies you may be holding in your wallet. But before we get into this video today, guys, do not forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. If you're new to this channel, we do 3 to 5 cryptocurrency news videos a day. So if you're a cryptocurrency investor or you're just interested in the cryptocurrency space, subscribing is definitely not a bad idea. And let's start a conversation down below in the comment section. Are you holding any cryptos that you are currently staking, and how have your returns been? Let me know down below. But okay, guys, the cryptocurrency I recently bought that I'm looking to start staking is actually NEO. So NEO, if you haven't heard, it's like Asian Ethereum. It's a smart contract blockchain token, or coin I should say, that uses a smart contract system basically like Ethereum. But anything that the Asian market adopts, I'm quick to try to adopt as well, because the Asian marketplace seems a lot more accepting to new technology. They adopt things a lot faster over there than we do here in the United States. So those countries are usually quicker adopters of tech and are willing to give a lot of different technical things a chance. So I see NEO definitely becoming worth as much as Ethereum is currently right now by the end of the year. So I could definitely see this marketplace 10x itself and have over $1 billion market cap and over a $1,200 price point. That's why I went in about $7,000 in the NEO. I want to do a little bit more, but I did get 7,000 of this, around $124 or so. It's seen some weird price action in the last week. It's gone as high as almost $200, and now it's sitting at 127, but it's been fluctuating a lot today into the 130s, the 120s. So this coin is definitely going to go up in the long term though, and that's why I'm staking it. If you don't know what staking is, I'll explain all that in just a second. But as you can see, with a small market cap like this, I know it's not relatively that small, but with the technology and everything that's behind it and the countries that are backing it and the people that are purchasing it, I know this is going to be an $80 billion market one day. 349 million in trade volume. This crypto's jumped up so much. If you look back here, okay, this is 2017 in June. It's worth $1.81. It saw its first peak to over $40, and then it kind of came down, consolidated. Then we saw another peak not too long ago in December to 73. That's when I wish I would have gotten in December, because it was on my radar then. But we've seen it go, if you go to the 1 month, we've seen it go as high as 190, I want to say. 188, 194, so 194, almost $200 NEO's been at price point. So I know when the market bounces back and we get a lot of that Lunar New Year money coming back into the market, this currency might jump to 250. I think this is going to be a quick 2x for me, but I'm holding this coin long term, and here's why. I want to show you the currency you earn. So when you stake NEO, basically you put NEO in a wallet, or you can keep it on the Binance exchange, but I don't like to do that with any of my cryptos. But if you keep it in the Binance exchange, or you bring it to a NEO approved wallet, you can actually stake it by leaving it in the wallet, and you earn gas tokens, okay, or gas coin. Let me show you what gas is. Okay, so if you're willing to stake NEO, they'll give you gas for free. So gas is NEO's gas. It's the gas that runs NEO. Like Ethereum just uses itself to run itself, but gas is what runs the smart contract network on NEO. It fuels it, okay? And gas token is trading for $50 a token right now, and it's seen an all-time high. I want to say of like, what was it, $80? Let's zoom into the last month. So gas just in the last couple of weeks, actually about 6 days ago, was $95 a token. So this is definitely going to go up with the price of NEO. I wouldn't be surprised. You guys look at this, only $400 million market cap. I wouldn't be surprised to see this at a $5 billion market cap by the end of the year. 10x in value, worth $500, especially if NEO's worth $1,000. This is really keeping up with NEO's price. It's always about half of what NEO's worth. That's what it seems like in its lifetime. And NEO is worth roughly, $127 right now. So a $50 price point is pretty good. So you get this coin for free, or this token for free, just by staking your NEO. So let me do a calculator, guys. Okay, so here's a calculate. You can calculate your NEO gas rewards here. So I bought 49 NEO. Okay, so 49 NEO. So let's calculate my returns per year. So this is a theoretical calculation. This is the actual current calculation, but let's go with the theoretical one. So I will earn 8.2 gas tokens just by leaving my NEO in my wallet for the next 12 months. So that is extremely interesting. That intrigues me a lot. Every month I'm almost earning 1 gas token, 0.7. I want to increase this to, I think I only need 70 to earn 1 a month. Yeah, so 70, I'm going to earn 1 a month, 12 a year. That's what I want to get to, because at 12 a year, if they're worth $500, I've made $6,000 just from leaving my NEO in my wallet. But let's go over my real numbers. Okay, so I have 49 right now. I'm looking to definitely strengthen my position in NEO before the Lunar New Year. But look at this, 49, okay, about $7,000 worth of NEO, 6,200. but 8.2 of these a year, or 5 with the actual rate right now of about 4% returns. So you're getting basically, if you go between 4 and 6.5, you're getting about 4.75 to 5%. You're getting actually 5.25% roughly interest on your NEO. So it's like a NEO savings account, and you're getting dividends in gas token, which is a very valuable currency. It was once worth $100 and now it's worth 50, but I'm going to be getting about this amount. I'll probably say safely I'll get 6.5 of these at least, and that's extremely intriguing to me because one, I plan on holding NEO anyways, because I think NEO will be a $1,200 currency by the end of the year. I think gas will be a $500 currency, so my 50 NEO will be worth 50,000, like 65,000 off a $6,000 investment. And then my gas tokens will be worth another $6,000, you know, if I can get 8 of these, which will be extremely interesting. And that's why I think staking is so interesting, because some company or some coins or currencies use mining to prove work. It's like proof of work model. Okay, so mining is like a proof of work model. That's how they get new coins. That's how everything gets into the system. Staking is how you mint new coins if you don't have a mining system. So staking is like proving the concept and minting a new coin. I guess that's like the easiest way to explain it without getting too technical. So you're minting new coins by staking. So new NEO are put into the marketplace and they're rewarding you in gas. Okay, so that's why I think this is extremely interesting. When I started doing research on staking and seeing the benefits, any coin you plan on holding long term that allows staking, I think it's a no-brainer. I get another cryptocurrency in my portfolio called gas, and I'm going to get right now per day about 0.02 gas, per week 1.15, and per month almost 1 total gas a month. So if gas is worth $200, I'm earning $200 a month in passive income just to kind of sit here and let my NEO sit. I only have 49 right now, and I definitely want to strengthen this portfolio. I wanted to throw $100,000 at this right now and just start staking, and I want to show you guys what that would look like. So $100,000 would be about $1,000, obviously it'd be like $127,000. But here's how many I would earn a year: 168 gas. So 168 gas, if they're worth $500, because I do think NEO will be worth $1,200, which would make this $1.2 million off a $126,000 investment. And this would turn into, let's get out a calculator. Let me search calculator really quick, just so I don't have to do tough math in my head. Okay, so say NEO or gas is worth half of what NEO is worth. So let's say $600 times 168. Just for sitting my NEO in a wallet, I'm going to earn $100,800. So I get my initial investment back from my NEO just from my gas tokens. Then I have $1.2 million in profit from NEO if it does hit that $1,200 price point, which I really do think it will. I'm actually waiting for my Tron to double or triple, and then I'm going to just throw everything on NEO because I think NEO is a great long-term play. I'm looking for more long-term plays, something I can sit in a wallet and stake for a year. And I think to get 168 of these at 600, even if 168 of these is only worth 300, you know, I'm still earning $50,000 from my gas, and I definitely see gas being worth $300 by the end of the year. So this is definitely something that I am doing. And if you guys are wondering what other top currencies can you stake and do this with, and what are the returns, well, here on this website, it goes over 7 profitable proof of stake cryptos. Okay, so number 1 is Dash. Dash is pretty expensive. If you want to get into Dash, I think the price point for Dash is $700. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's $700 right now, or $800. Dash, though, you get 7.5% return. That is the highest annual return I've ever seen in a proof of stake crypto. So Dash might be worth getting a few of. I'm sure we could pull up a Dash calculator. Obviously, to get one Dash, it's a lot more expensive than getting one NEO right now. NEO right here is number 2, so you get free gas. It's 5.5% return, roughly, and that's what we did the math about, 5.25, 5.5, which is amazing. So I really want to upgrade my portfolio and get more and more gas tokens. Then we have PivX is number 3 with about 4.8% return, and then OK Cash at 10% annual return. So that's a pretty big. I might have to look into OK Cash. That's a pretty big staking return. I don't know what coin you're getting. I don't know if you're getting more OK Cash or if you're getting a different crypto. I think you're just getting more OK Cash. The NAV coin, a lot of you guys have heard about that. 5%. Stratus is at only 0.5 to 1%, so not really worth it for Stratus. And then Redcoin is 5%. I know a lot of you guys hold Redcoin, so start staking your Redcoin. So these are interesting cryptos to stake. Like you can see here, I would love to get my portfolio to $126,000 into NEO and start earning potentially $100,000 a year just from getting free gas. 14 gas a month, you know, it's like a paycheck. Even at this current price, 14, that's $700 a month. That's amazing. So I'm definitely down to get more Neo and more coins that I can stake, and I think that is going to be the future because you can earn a lot of passive income from something like Neo and getting this gas token. But guys, let me know what you guys think about staking coins and which coins you're staking, and if you think it's a smart investment in the long term. It's kind of like mining without using the power and all the equipment. Yes, it's not as profitable as mining, but it's a good alternative if you don't have the equipment or the computing power, or you're not on Hashflare and you don't have the money to invest, but you want to invest in crypto. So maybe Neo is a good option for you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a like on it. Likes go a long way. I know it doesn't seem like a lot to do, but hitting the like button does help the channel out a lot. And also leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're staking any cryptos right now, and if there's any cryptos I didn't cover that are stakeable. I know there's a lot, but any that are profitable that you've seen big returns on. But thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next video, happy trading and goodbye.